guys, I'm here. Hi. I'm here with my son, Elijah. Say hi.
Hi.
And we are here. We're about to unbox this Kobalt 24v Max Bluetooth radio. This is a new radio that the Kobalt line has put out. I bought this weekend for Father's Day, and I bought it at Lowe's, and this radio retails for $59, and I got it for $49 because they were running the sale. All right, let's open it up. So I'll bring it out here, actually. Let's see. Are you excited, Elijah? Yeah? All right. So when you open it up, you have the instructions. Say instructions.
Instructions.
That's right. You also get, this is good. So I wasn't able to tell in the box what you got. Hey, hold on, Elijah. But it does look like you get some sort of wire. Now, what do you think this wire is, Elijah? Here. Oh, I dropped it. Can you give it to me, baby?
You open.
All right, you open it. Come here. All right. All right, up, look. It's the plug. Let's see. What do you think of this plug? A good plug or a bad plug?
A coin.
Oh yeah, you'll play with the coin. All right. So this plug feels a little light, actually. It doesn't have much weight to it. And actually the wire, and I'm surprised because all the Kobalt stuff so far has been great, but this seems very, very, very light. Hey, what do you think of this? Is it good or bad?
Bad.
Yeah, I think it's bad. You want to feel it? Is it heavy or is it light? Light, right? All right, well, hopefully you won't have to use that too often. Most of the time you'll have your batteries plugged into it. Playing music remotely, so this is only if it's in your shop. All right. This is the radio. Now, it is that big, literally. So for $59, you get a radio probably about the size of your hand. It is pretty heavy. It feels pretty sturdy. That's obviously where you plug your radio. This is the USB jack and also the DC outlet, and it has this dust cover that will serve a good purpose while in a shop or on the job site, as long as it isn't plugged in with anything, because otherwise I think dust will get in there. It looks like this is the auxiliary jack or an auxiliary cord if you do not have a Bluetooth device. And it also has this fancy bungee cord, just in case you're interested in hanging it in your shop or, I don't know, going on a ladder if you do roofing. So what do I think so far? Well, I'm going to have to listen to it to see how it sounds. I have to admit, the main reason that I purchased this radio is because I wanted an extra charger for my batteries, because I've invested in the Kobalt line and all their products have been pretty quality so far. But time will tell. All right, I'll be back. I'm going to take a listen and I will let you know what I think. Hi guys, I'm back. So I listened to the radio and I have to say this radio sounds wonderful. It's loud, it's small, but it would fill my garage and my workshop with music, no problems. One thing that I do have to report, and pairing this with a lightweight DC adapter, it does not charge batteries. So really it's just a radio that will run off of your Kobalt batteries if it's not plugged into the wall. With that said, I'll probably be taking this radio back, and hopefully Kobalt will be releasing a radio that is a little bit more like the DeWalt brand or some of the other brands that has a slot for charging the battery and also a slot where it can be powered by the battery. I have to say, I'm a little bit disappointed because I was really excited that they finally put out a radio in their line. But it is worth waiting for, and to be honest, $59 isn't that bad for a Bluetooth radio, although if you go to TJ Maxx or Marshall's, you can find these chintzy Bluetooth radios that you charge up and then play remotely for 20 to 30 bucks. So for that purpose, I don't know. I'm going to hold out. Hopefully Kobalt will come out with a radio that will charge your battery. I just really don't see the point of wasting your tools batteries for your music when it could be charging a battery. Not totally disappointed with the radio. For 59 bucks, it is a little bit much. If you're only going to spend 49 bucks, it might be worth it. 30 bucks is probably where I would put the value of this radio, but that's just me. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this opening and or unboxing and review. Tune back in. I'll be continuing to make videos. Have a great day.